Isang sigaw. Woo! Dahil ang tanging lunas na may pag-ibig. And I'm pretty sure lahat tayo dito punong-puno ng pag-ibig kasi nandito tayo para tumulong. Thank you so much. For barely 2 weeks, you were able to pull this off. Direct Deal, bravo. Thank you so much. Of course, wala natin kalimutan si Dale. Kung wala si Dale, wala tayong sounds. Thank you so much, Dale. And of course, we are so blessed because we have people to mobilize, remotely mobilize yung people natin doon na yung pangarap po namin, sabi namin, sana maka-raise kami kahit 12,000 kasi 2 weeks lang eh. Pero lo and behold, almost 12,000 po tayo. In Tagalog, halos kalahating milyon. Good job. Good job. Good job kayong lahat. Thank you so much sa inyong lahat dahil yan sa mga sponsors. We were able to collect 9,080 with the sponsors. This afternoon nga lang, nakapag-collect tayo ng $1,200. And syempre, wala pa yung tickets doon and ongoing pa. So, maraming salamat. Talagang punong-puno ng pagmamahal ngayon. May mga narinig pa ako na bakit hindi kami sinabihan, hindi namin alam, pwede pa lang mag-sponsor. Pumabol naman sila. Thank you so much, Espresso. Thank you so much. And yes, yung pangarap natin, hintayin ninyo dahil maglalagay tayo before New Year's Eve. Mangangatok ang ating Oragon family sa Bicol. Naghihintay na lang sila na ipadala natin itong pera na to. At meron silang paghahatian. When I was hungry, did you feed me? When I was naked, did you clothe me? When I was thirsty, did you give me drink? And when I knocked on your door, did you open it for me? Tonight, we will all go home. My cup is full. I hope yours is full as well. Because tonight, thank you so much for offering us this beautiful show. Funny, entertaining, inspiring, motivating. And please, let's spread love and kindness, not only during this Christmas season, but all the days of our lives. And I pray to God that may life be kind to us this coming 2025. Stay happy and healthy, guys, and thank you so much for staying. Mabuhay po tayong lahat. On behalf of the Philippine Consulate here in Perth, the Philippine Embassy, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat, sa inyong walang sawang pagtulong, ating mga kababayan.
Thank you very much, Honorary Consul Melissa Guasa. May we have